Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to create a Wells Fargo account. So the first step is to simply go to Wells Fargo and then simply make sure to select personal, and then here you're going to have to simply choose checking, and then here what you're going to have to do is to simply click on get started. Then you're going to get redirected here to another page where you're gonna have the option to open an online account, or if you want you can go in into a branch and then we're gonna open there the account. But as I said, you can do it online, so simply click on open online, and after that you're gonna get redirected here where you're gonna have to complete a form. Basically you're gonna have to simply enter some information about you, so you're gonna have to simply click on let's go. And then here you're gonna have to simply enter your social security number and your mobile number, and then simply click on agree and continue. And then you're gonna need some basic information like home address, email address, and phone number, as well as identification documents such as driver's license, social security number, and a minimum opening deposit amount. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.